Do you want to enable Stars Gift on Facebook Reels video? You can activate Stars on Facebook Reel videos and start receiving gift from your fans and followers with just a few simple steps. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to enable Stars on Facebook Reels. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. I've also added some helpful tools and apps in the description. Check them out after watching this video. To enable Stars on Facebook Reels videos, first, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you are on Facebook, tap on your profile picture or the three horizontal line menu. A new screen will appear. From here, tap on your name. Now, you are on your Facebook profile page. From your profile, select the Reels or Videos tab. You will see all the Reel videos you have posted on Facebook. At the beginning of your video list, find and tap on Create Reel. A new screen will appear where you can see all the photos and videos from your device gallery. Select a video or record using the camera option available at the top of the screen. You are now on the Reels video editing screen. Edit your Reel as per your requirements. You can add text, music, stickers, and more to your Reel. Once edited, tap on the Next button. On the next screen, you can add a video description, tag people or pages, add closed captions, and more. Scroll down to the bottom until you find the Stars and Earn Money options. Remember, this option is only available if your account is professional and eligible for monetization from your Reel videos. Tap the toggle switch button next to Stars to enable gift receiving from your followers and fans. If you are using this feature for the first time, you may need to set up additional settings. Simply follow the on-screen instructions. Once the Stars monetization feature is enabled for your Reel video, tap on the Share Now button.